Hey guys, I'm back with another soap. You guys are really going to enjoy this one. It's got lots of natural, great ingredients. 100% oat milk, that's what you see going in right there. That's my lye solution. And that has oat milk instead of water. Also, I added French green clay, razuli clay, I know I butchered that, and rose clay. And there's wildflower honey added to it. I added the clays because they're great for your skin. They pull just gunk out of your pores, detoxifies your skin. There's the honey, wildflower honey. It's just beautiful. It adds a lot of nice luxurious bubbles, and it's a humectant. It draws moisture into your skin. And see what else. Yeah, so oat milk, 3 different types of clays, and wildflower honey is added. I fragranced it with a really beautiful, nice, clean scent. So it's got a lot of natural stuff, but it doesn't sacrifice any of the luxurious items either. So I'm gonna let you watch this for a while. I'll pop in and explain a few things as I go. I really hope you enjoy this video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you like what you see. I'm working really hard to bring you guys great content and keep you coming back. And yeah, so I'll be back in. Thank you for watching. Hey guys, okay, going in for round 2. This is the second layer. This layer has the oat milk that's going in right now. It's going to have the same honey, and it's going to have rose clay and razuli clay. Now, during the whole video, and especially during the second layer right now, my stick blender was taking a complete dump. Every time I would hit the button, it would buzz a little bit, and then it would go over to warp speed all by itself, and I didn't know what I was gonna do. Little puffs of smoke coming out the top of it where the motor is. It was getting hot in my hand, but there was no turning back. I was halfway through this soap. I wouldn't be able to, I mean, I could hand stir it, but with all the clays that went into it, it would have been just near impossible to get a smooth batter. And I was so stressed out. I put a lot of work into this soap, and I didn't want it just to go to poop halfway through. So I just babied the blender and like did little spurts, and just tried not to pay attention to it smoking. I thought for sure I was going to get electrocuted, but I was determined to get this soap done. So this soap killed my blender, but I'm waiting on Amazon to get a new one sent to me. But yeah. So a little titanium dioxide going in with a little pink mica. I wanted to soften up the colors. The clays were really a harsh color. I didn't like the harsh green. I didn't like the harsh like dark red that these clays, you know, the colors that they make naturally with the clay. So I just put a little mica in there to soften everything up, kind of go with the theme. So yeah, this soap killed my blender, but it got done, and it did a great job. But RIP blender, you're out of here. I'm waiting for the new one. So there's my funny story for this soap. Alright, if you guys are enjoying this video, please like, subscribe, and yeah, so you can see more videos. Thank you guys for watching. I might pop in during the cutting. If not, thank you for watching. You guys are great.